do her policy. A week later, Bob delivers her policy. Now, what's the effective date of coverage going to be this time? Your options are for the effective date, either going to be A, date of medical exam, B, date of policy approval, C, date of application, or D, date of policy delivery. What do you think? Hopefully you pick D, date of policy delivery. And here's the things that have to happen. Remember, the agent always delivers the policy, has to have Jane sign a statement of good health, has to have Jane sign the amendment saying, okay, I agree to pay more money, and then collect that extra money. And that's when the coverage goes into effect. So that is your conditional receipt, only given to insureds who pay premium with their application. We'll see you on the next video. All right, so there is your conditional receipt. Hopefully that was helpful. Next, let's look at some disclosures at the point of sale. First, there are disclosure statements. Disclosure statements help applicants make more informed and educated decisions about their choice of insurance. Disclosure statement could be anything, kind of like a buyer's guide that we're going to talk about in a minute. Next, there's a disclosure authorization notice, which states the insurer's practice regarding the collection and use of personal information. The insurer just needs to know that their personal information is being gathered, and then how can it be used, and just for underwriting purposes only. Next, HIV testing. Now, HIV testing, it's not against the law to do HIV testing. Usually for larger amounts of insurance is when an insurance company would do HIV testing. What you need to know for your test is who can have access to HIV test results. Well, if I'm the insured, I can, my doctor can, the insurance company can, and then the Department of Health and Human Services can. But I really want you to know who cannot have access, and that's why it's in your book, is anybody not involved in the underwriting process like other insurers. So other insurance companies cannot have access to HIV test results. Next, we have a buyer's guide. A buyer's guide is generic